Hey Hessam, quick tutorial how to update your name servers. So please go to your NetFirms account and go to your domains. And when you find your Ottawa Realtor domain name, please go on the right-hand side where it says Manage, open it, and then when the page loads, go to your left-hand side where it says DNS and name servers and click on it, please. And then it's going to say name servers. Here you will be seeing your Cloudflare name servers. So please click on these three dots, click on edit, and change the cloud name servers to the ones that I sent you, ns10.dnsmadeeasy.com. Submit your changes. After that, go to the second one and change it to ns11 DNS Made Easy and submit your changes. That way, your website will be automatically switched to our servers and your new website will show up under your domain name. That's the only change we need. Please let me know when you make these name servers updates so we can proceed on our end and launch your website live. I hope this helps. Let me know. Thank you.